Welcome to today's video. Which foods support your body's detox fast? In our modern world, the promise of a quick fix is incredibly alluring, you know. We are constantly bombarded with advertisements for special cleanses, detox teas, expensive juice protocols. They claim to purge our bodies of accumulated toxins in days. The very word detox has been co-opted by clever marketing. It's created a multi-billion-dollar industry built on the idea our bodies are failing and need external, costly intervention. This narrative says we're full of harmful substances only a specific product or restrictive diet can eliminate. It's a powerful story, but it misunderstands the elegant, powerful systems already at work within us. You do not need a magical pill, nor subsist on cayenne-infused lemonade to cleanse your system. Your body is a highly sophisticated self-cleaning machine. It operates 24/7. It has a built-in, multi-organ detoxification system, far more effective than any juice fast. Detoxification is not an event you schedule, like a dental cleaning. It's a continuous, ongoing process. Support doesn't lie in a box or a bottle. It lies on your plate, in your glass, and in your daily habits. Before we can effectively support our body's detoxification processes, we must first appreciate the intricate and tireless work they perform. The primary command center for this operation is the liver. This remarkable organ is like a complex chemical processing plant working non-stop to filter your blood, metabolize drugs, and neutralize harmful substances. It takes toxins, environmental pollutants, processed foods, natural byproducts of your own metabolism, and converts them into water-soluble compounds. This conversion is a crucial two-step process known as Phase 1, Phase 2 detoxification, which requires a vast array of nutrients, including B vitamins, vitamin C, specific amino acids, to function properly. Once neutralized, these compounds can be safely escorted out of the body. Following the liver's lead, the kidneys act as the primary filtration and excretion system. Think of them as the sophisticated gatekeepers that decide what stays and what goes. Supporting the kidneys is not about a special kidney cleanse, but about staying properly hydrated and managing blood pressure. Together, the liver and kidneys form a powerful duo, working in perfect concert. Your gut, lungs, and skin join in. A healthy gut lining and fiber bind and escort waste. Lungs expel gases. Skin eliminates a small amount via sweat. Detox foods are not magic. They provide cofactors, antioxidants, and fibers these organs need. The single most important, yet often overlooked component of detoxification is simple, pure water. It is the universal solvent and transport medium of the body. Water allows your kidneys to flush the water-soluble waste the liver has processed. Without adequate hydration, toxins concentrate and strain your system. Hydration maintains healthy blood flow to carry nutrients in and waste out. Start your day with a large glass of water and sip consistently. Aim for clear or pale yellow urine. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula are nature's multivitamins and foundational for liver support. Chlorophyll may bind certain toxins and supports liver function. Have a large lunch salad, blend greens into smoothies, or lightly steam or sauté them. Next, celebrate cruciferous vegetable superstars: broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and bok choy. Chopping or chewing converts glucosinolates into sulforaphane. Sulforaphane activates phase 2 enzymes to neutralize and prepare substances for excretion. Include a serving 3 to 5 times weekly. Roast sprouts and broccoli, use cabbage raw or fermented, steamed cauliflower. Making water, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables daily habits provides a steady stream of tools to keep systems running clean and smooth. Often relegated to simple flavor enhancers, garlic and onions are powerful medicinal foods. They belong to the allium family and are rich in sulfur-containing compounds. Sulfur is critical and forms part of glutathione. The liver uses glutathione in phase 2 to bind toxins for removal. Eating garlic and onions supplies raw materials for this master antioxidant and enhances liver function. Garlic's allicin can protect the liver from chemical damage and support cardiovascular health. To maximize allicin, chop or crush garlic and let it sit a few minutes. Use them as the base for soups, stews, stir-fries, sauces, or add raw to dressings and salsas. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruit are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C protects cells during detox and supports liver enzymes, regenerating vitamin E. Deficiency can impair toxin handling. Regular intake is crucial. A splash of lemon in water is nice, but whole citrus gives critical fiber. Add orange to salads, squeeze lime over fish or chicken, or enjoy grapefruit at breakfast. Pair garlic and onions with bright citrus to create a flavorful, synergistic approach to daily toxin defense. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cranberries pack enormous nutritional punch. Their anthocyanins act like cellular bodyguards, neutralizing free radicals from metabolism and detox. This protects proteins, DNA, and the liver as it works. Berries also provide soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber feeds good bacteria and promotes regular elimination. Add to oatmeal or yogurt, blend into smoothies, or eat by the handful, fresh or frozen. Green tea's EGCG supports liver health with powerful antioxidants. It may protect liver cells from toxins and alcohol, reducing markers of liver stress. Regular tea enhances detox pathways and reduces inflammation. Turmeric's curcumin down regulates inflammatory pathways and supports liver detox enzymes. Add a pinch of black pepper. Piperine boosts absorption. Sprinkle into soups and roasted veg, or make a golden milk latte. Together, berries, green tea, and turmeric provide potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support to ease your body's daily detox workload. Beets' deep flavor and rich color hint at betalain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They support liver enzymes and bile production for fat digestion and waste elimination. Roast whole, peel, slice into salads. Pair with goat cheese and walnuts. Grate into slaws. Juice is popular but high in sugar. Whole beets retain fiber. Whole grains and legumes are gut health heroes. Oats, quinoa, brown rice, beans, lentils. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and promotes regularity, reducing reabsorption risk. Soluble fiber forms a gel, helping bind cholesterol and slowing sugar absorption. Fermented foods introduce beneficial bacteria. A diverse microbiome is essential for detoxification. Good bacteria maintain the gut barrier, lowering the liver's toxic load. Add a spoon of sauerkraut or a small glass of kefir daily. Make beets, fiber-rich staples, and fermented friends regulars to complement other detox foods. In detox, fats are unfairly villainized. The right fats are essential. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatories. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia. They reduce systemic stress so the liver works efficiently. Fats build resilient cell membranes, improving nutrient in and toxin out transport. Nuts and seeds add fiber, protein, magnesium and zinc, cofactors in detox enzymes. Mixed with water they gel, soothing digestion and promoting regularity. Snack on a small handful. Add ground flax or chia to breakfast. Use extra virgin olive oil for low-medium heat and dressings. Avocados provide monounsaturated fats, fiber and potassium. Healthy fats aid absorption of vitamins A, D, E and K. Avoid trans fats. They promote inflammation and burden the liver. Choose anti-inflammatory fats from whole foods and high-quality oils to support daily detox and vibrant health. Putting this knowledge into practice does not have to be complicated. Build a sustainable pattern, not a one-day cleanse. Simple, satisfying meals. Begin by rehydrating with a large glass of room-temperature water. Add lemon, if you like. Use whole rolled oats, not instant packets. Stir in flax or chia. Top with mixed berries and a sprinkle of walnuts or almonds. Fiber, omega-3s, antioxidants, and slow-release carbs. Enjoy a cup of green tea. For lunch, build a large, colorful detox salad. Mix leafy greens with cabbage or broccoli for crucifer power. Add protein and fats, chickpeas or lentils, avocado, sunflower seeds, and orange for vitamin C. Dress with olive oil, lemon, and garlic, a powerhouse of nutrients and detox support. Dinner, baked or grilled salmon or tofu tempeh. Roast broccoli and sliced beets with olive oil, turmeric, and black pepper. Add quinoa or brown rice. Sip water all day. This simple menu nourishes your body from morning to night. As you embark on this journey, proceed with awareness. Listen to your body. If you have liver or kidney disease, are pregnant, nursing, or on medications, consult your doctor or a registered dietitian. Supplements can interact with meds. Some foods need limits for specific conditions. Health is personal. Professional guidance tailors your approach. The most powerful changes are the ones that last. Skip all or nothing. Embrace small incremental steps. This week, increase water and add greens. Next, include crucifers, then swap in nuts and berries. Focus on abundance, not restriction. Fill your kitchen with color and nutrients. Nutrient-dense foods crowd out ultra-processed, sugary, inflammatory options. You hold the power to support your well-being. You do not need an expensive cleanse or a magical pill. Your body is wise. Be a good partner. Provide clean water, whole foods, and essential nutrients. Daily science-backed choices invest in long-term vitality. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.